Welcome to MS Craftshop. Today I want to share a photo album I made for my friend as a wedding gift. However, it's not a wedding photo album. The album features pictures from the fun weekend we spent in London with a few of our other friends when I currently live. As you can see, I used a locking mechanism for the album's closure, which I presented in one of the tutorials I prepared in the summer. I embedded magnets into the cover, so its parts can close flat to the surface without standing out. If you want to learn how to make it, I invite you to check out my Portfolio album blank base tutorial. I will include the link in the video description. The album dimensions are 22 cm by 19 cm with a 6 cm spine, and I decorated it with the Flower Fiesta paper collection from Craft O'Clock. I designed it to fit around 70 photos, measuring 10 cm by 15 cm, because that's how many I had to showcase. I could have included more, but I wanted to keep it to that number. So, I ensured all the flaps, pockets and individual pages were precisely suitable for my needs. These two pockets are currently empty. When I filled the album with photos, I included a wedding card with wishes and a short letter split between the pockets. Again, I regret I cannot show you the completed album, as the pictures truly showcase its beauty and character. Further, I added short humorous comments and sentiments referring to the place and situation under some of them. Thanks to this, the album took on additional value and meaning. album has already reached my friend. We had a fantastic weekend together, packed with laughter and lots of fun. It's a lovely keepsake to hold onto those unforgettable memories. I hope you enjoyed it too. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you soon.